has affected businesses. First of all, we have hospitals in the area, we have a university in the area, and sometimes the power goes off for 2 days, for 3 days.
Welcome to the Political Run with me, the voice right on Ghana 7 TV GH. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notification that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified.
It has affected businesses. First of all, we have hospitals in the area, we have a university in the area, and sometimes the power goes off for 2 days, for 3 days. So the key impact will be to the universities, to the hospitals, and to the other schools. So as a representative of the good people of Ilo Krobo, and as the only Krobo area MP on the committee, it is my objective to champion this and to have the problem solved.
Now, coming to the OT region, my area, I was in a constituency a few weeks ago. What happened is that, like what the voter, my colleague was saying, similar thing, but even theirs is better. You may have power for about an hour, then suddenly, intermittently, the power is to be cutting off, on, off, for several times, especially in the evenings or in the night. And that causes a whole lot of inconvenience to people. Businesses must run. I even feel for those who are running cold stores, their products or storage might be getting spoiled.
You may be there in about 3 hours, the light will trip, then comes back, let's say after 2 minutes. Then another 3 hours, the lines will trip. Sometimes what happens is that you may have the 3-phase, some are hooked onto, let's say, phase 1, another one phase 2, phase 3, before the neutral. So what happens is that finally, your house may be enjoying electricity, but the house adjoining, which may be on the second line, might not be enjoying. That has been the situation.
Didja, ade a na ton no £1, na do £5. Ade a ton 2 pounds, na do £12. What you say? Inti ahoche ni ba wiase ba bia. Enti so ni pa to na te se ye ka say, o me yakronfo, o mo wiaga me to ba ma wo, me kwa me nkoto. MPP fo ni bebre nkoto aba wo. Insem we nti because ono na koma wo de do party no. There is no way so de nsa. Be kwa kwosisi so ama NDC onye. Inti de no be yo be da fie. Obe ofufu edi no wada. Obaba pesi edi no wada. That's why I don't blame them. Enya wo mo a. Inti me de me ba me sin kotodwe gu fom. Ye nduano mo yadofo mo amokan ye ho, mo amoto aba ma MPP ba power. Na mo bufu ye nyina mo fa nche na nte saa. Onipa da seni no ya na dwen so be say party no, asai candidate no. Se ne be ya Ghana fo nto aba ma no. Na nanim be gu ase, na nanim gu ase wi a wo no ya beto ama no. Na ma me nka nchira wo. Ye nya nkoto. Na yemu ankure mu a yebu ayeso. Ye nipa nti ye dwene ena wa ma unyonko antwa nkwa wo nso ntwa nu enti se wo ye wadwen se wo no wo ma me ba they shall encourage more viewers pa mo cha mo fa mo nsa mo boso ma me why na mo mfrefre ye nuanom ni bi mra me pa mo cha wa mo mfrefre bi mra mo mfrefre bi mra mo mfrefre bi mra mo mfrefre bi mra so ahun ti se wo ye wadwen se wo no be ma wo nua no atofom na wo wabedi animu dia anya na me ka kire wo se wo boa ewiase ye nkone saa abra wo nua ekono na wo so ne mu abra wo nua ekono na wo pushi no abra wo nua ekono na wo boa no enti se wo nua no kwa na wo nso waba de na efeni but wo de wo ye wadwen se wo a wo ma wo nua ne nko enti wadwen ni se kwen bia wo befa so na wo de wo nua na hwefom se ne be ya wo nua no ho nya akono na nipa beba befa wo. He said for he mamehwe dan na mame radio commenti na ye me de o se dem. He said MPP are stupid. Yes, up to date NDC4 keeps reminding us of that insult from. Oh yes, of course. Enra you crack Apia Stadium say Dr. Bawumia kra na ehu so na ono Kennedy onyi ne tibra wo mo bebu bono amono ane hwan ne oh yes o se enkwasiafo MPP fo nyina agimi na uka na obi abema reference say bra ya papa osafo mafo ne MPP fo bi kohyiaye na omu di nkomo bra yi ma fresh me dase Dina Rivers me dase share program me damase nyame nshamo it is still possible me dase God is good me dase Honorable Aquarius me dase Ima fresh me dase me damase me si me nua no MPP for de papa bi MPP dia boa o yenye gologolo people who MPP for who say yes money pack akre bi metwa mu 8 point something k momo bala avo ne so momo boss na muntutu mu meso Dr. Bawumia ho ani genti ne ho akono nti oni petitiri unti mo hwe nipa ma papa bi sei ye nyina ye tai na chi Dr. Wodada na ye wo fom ye adwuma ma obi say ye see abet 5 MPP for maybe wo Britain ne hefa ni amemom ska hwan na wa hwe me mama day ameti we ya menu abie papa hwan na baba bribe me oba bribe me sabi ta bi o munya sansam ne ka ye wo conscience ni e wadwene na ye hwade ewiase yenye nipa saa moti ase me real cry ye fi about me topic so almost say Kennedy uyi uti na MPP delegate mo yam from so sani adwo mahama na abeka chia mo se munim na mo yam from so na mo koto abama me a mo beti anaga na ya dai ya ton na so tiny ani bre ni ahoye nti Ghana for so month ene ye hu de ye hu enti ye de ye ka kire mo delegate mo ye mistake koto abama Kennedy Japan what hey me say NDC for babuna ma me so mbe wuro ne hu naked no matetse no mu wi omu twetwa ne sempuna no mato apete na be ka kire me say mu kwoti Apia Stadium wo de wo a wonte wonhu social media no bo Apia Stadium or TikTok ana say fa social media outlet bi a ope kwoti asem Apia Stadium aka me say me hwa abrante be yemu hyebe na me say hey MPP for muhu say ya papa doctor de nyom be come kan wi o bibia ni wo mo de ba yesuro bium e na hwe last 2 years coming kosi yeto aba no na yen ye wo abamu enti ni ama no otokokora na enko na sese de yeti ekire e na ye da meba yeti ekire e na ye hwe na sese nso ye da fom o nti ye Israel ase ye nso me si ye da fom bam enti na de fom ho no ye beye ye ho fi ye pagya enti mo bia me dadam so be bie nwuma obi ebi na maka kire mu me si doctor be recycling plant ewo all the regions na obema ye can say recycling adwuma abagana obema industrialization abagana doctor be making sure say farming be prominent na every district every regional capital benya industry kano krakire mu enwuma obebie ena bebia mo de mo hwe say kom kakra abagana no MPP fi abemadu nahi ka planting for food and jobs bebia say ye dua banche ye bedua bode menken bayire no be resource o mine no with ye can say eniama enkoya hoden kwa with machines ebetu form machines a ebedua bro machines ebedua bayire machines ebedua banche chese de beboa soil no na fe mo hu galam say na say ye nsuo ni ade no doctor wo ho adwen Bawumia papa dia me se oye nyame ama onyankopon na bo no de ne beto Ghana memu say makoa emni bi beso nipa be ye Ghana basa na wo na memo ko pagya me minus wo be si muma doctor chance MPP delegate muma branch any chance mun tietie hwe ono so oye for form oye for grassroots munti na oba mebuno mun hwa asem okan so oba pa about 10,000 or 100,000 mebun mun no be pick him first no de mo hwehwe nwuma mun pe we mo pede mo wie school mutifie wo se wo be pick him de mo atotototo na fe wa bebiebie nwuma me se wo bebie oton wo bia wo de obi ba se no bebie nwuma me se mo forget it eye tok ni obebie djuma na nkasa be page o man ga ne doctor Alhaji Mahmood Baomi me nua kwa me free papa bi be me na me dance tutugo me so me ho so wa send me rose wonu about fata rose nyaminsha it is still more be me MPP me ma de mu ye boy mu ma so ye boy